Welcome back to Smashub Web Development course. In this tutorial, we will get to know about the CSS backgrounds used during styling of our HTML document. The CSS background properties are used to define the background effects for elements. In this tutorial, we will learn about background color, background image, background repeat, background attachment, and background position. First is the CSS background color. The background color property specifies the background color of an element. For example, in this code, we want the background color to be light green in color. Now, when we run this code, we see that the background is light green. In this example, I have used the color name. You can also use hex values or RGB values too. Next is the CSS background image. The background image property specifies an image to use as the background of an element. Like, for example, in this code, I want the image that I have saved in my computer to be the background image. Now, when I run this code, we see that the image becomes the background image. By default, the background image property repeats an image both horizontally and vertically. If you want the image to be used only once, we use the background repeat. Now let us see using an example. Like in this example, I have used background repeat X. That means that the image will be repeated only horizontally. Now let us see the output. You see that the image is repeated horizontally. Now I have changed it to repeat Y, that is, it will repeat vertically. Now let us see the output. Here we see that it is repeating vertically. Now I have changed the background repeat to no repeat. Now let us see the output. We see that the background image is displayed only once. It is not repeating either horizontally or vertically. Then comes the CSS background attachment and position. The CSS background attachment property specifies whether the background image should be scrolled or should be fixed, while the background position determines the position of the image when displayed. Now let us see using an example. In this code, I have used the background attachment fixed, which means that the image doesn't scroll up or down along with the text. When we run this code, we see that the text is scrolling, but the image is fixed. Now, I have changed the background attachment to scroll. When we run this code, we see that the text is scrolling along with the image. Thank you.